Alright guys, so there's date and time on the Garmin Forerunner 620. And right in front of us here we got the elevator in the mall, in the CherryVale Mall in Rockford, Illinois. So there's a little look at what the shaft looks like. Interesting how it opens up on the second floor on the back side and opens up on this floor in the front. There's that. Also, for all your ceiling fans, got some really huge industrial ones above. And over here you got some nice cars. You got a Subaru. I don't want to sound stupid, but I'm not sure if that's like a... Actually, yeah, that is a Subaru. This is a Subaru Ascent. It's like a really nice car here. Here's the inside of what it looks like. I don't know if you can really see much, but yeah. And over here you got a Subaru Legacy. So this one's a sedan, that one's an SUV. So for all you car fans, here you go. So what the interior of it looks like. It's quite nice. So there's what they look like from the front. And our main focus in this video is this elevator right here, which we are going to ride. And this elevator is a KONE with GAL Jet Plus. And it looks like that girl pushed the button, so we're just gonna wait for it to come down. Looks like it's at the top right now, so it should come down a bit. So while I wait for the elevator, let's take a little look at the pit right here. Up, it's coming down. Never mind. We'll take a look at the pit afterwards. But yeah, there's the inner workings of the elevator. And wow, love listening to that chime. Looks like a house.
Where do we have to go? I think we have to go to
Alright. Door closed button works. We're gonna watch out the window.
Oh no.
No, from the bottom down.
Is that the hydro, as you can tell? I had to put the camera over here because that stupid sign's blocking the view. We can see a little bit of it, but not as much as if there were no sign there. Yeah, I just like to reveal this is a hobby. You're not in video. Oh, do you want to be in the video? I mean, my YouTube channel is Elevator Dog 100 if you want to check it out, but Elevator Dog 100 is my YouTube channel. Elevator Dog 100, all one word.
Elevator Dog 100?
Yeah, if you look it up, you'll see all my videos on there.
Okay.
Yeah, alright, well, you had a good day. It's like those people don't mind me filming. That's pretty cool. Alright, anyways, here right down the lower level. Actually, there's no need to ask if you're going up because that up's the only way you can go. Yeah, anyways, now we're gonna watch in here. You looked out the window the last time. Here are the two. I actually want to show you something up here real quick. You might have heard down at the bottom that the chime rings, but the chime on this elevator does not ring because when I push this button, actually, didn't ring that time. Never mind. I'll show you it going back up. Anyways, your CAD view now. It's a pretty big elevator for a mall. So this is pretty much what the CAD looks like. Here up there. Here's your COP right there. It is a KONE elevator. And here's your phone. The other COP does not have the phone. The other COP is kind of the same except it doesn't have the phone or the nameplate. So now we're going to send this up to 2 and watch it go out from here. Watch it go out. So we'll let that one go. Up. So I didn't know you guys. So there it goes up. Now that it went up, let's take a little look at the pit. So that's all it really is. There's the piston or jack, little buffers down there, hydraulic piping system. Probably can't see much still because of reflection, but there's the pit right there. There are the clutches for the doors. Looks like the elevator's coming back down. Now we're gonna go back up to the top real quick just to show you something, because see, as you just heard, the chime rings down the bottom. But it also doesn't look like the lantern on the left one works. So now we're gonna head up to 2 and show you something interesting. There we go. And because we looked out the window and watched Scenic here and got a cab, we're gonna watch the button go out this time. Don't give me weird looks. Alright, so we're up to 2. Now we're going to bring the bell just to show you that it doesn't ring that. Oh, you might have just heard it though, but yeah, it doesn't ring. Actually, never mind, guys. I actually don't see the need to actually call it back up. Yeah, actually, I'm not going to call it back up though because some people got in it, but you might just heard what the chime sounds like, and yeah, the chime on this floor does not seem to ring. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video of this elevator. And that's it.